Hello students, welcome back to the tutorial. Again, we are here to continue with our revision of lesson 13, that is fun with magnets. In yesterday tutorial, we introduced the term magnet, we did different shapes of magnet, we did where magnets were discovered, then we did very important properties of magnet. Today, we will do how to make a temporary magnet at a home. बच्चे, this question is generally asked in your exams, right? How to make a temporary magnet at your home. बच्चे, if this type of question is asked, you have to write down the whole procedure. But first of all, you have to write the name of the method, and the name of the method is single touch method. It is very important to write down the name of the method because it also carries marks. This name is not mentioned in your book, right? Now students, what is to be done in this method? You have to take a piece, a material which you want to turn to magnet. Say you can take the piece of iron, right? You want to change it into temporary magnet. What you have to do, take that piece, keep it on a table. Suppose this is my table. Keep this piece, iron piece, which you want to turn into magnet, temporary magnet. Place it on the table. Now take a piece of bar magnet and rub it along the length of the magnet. Now बच्चे, make sure when you rub it on this piece of iron, after reaching to the other end, keep the magnet up above and again come back to this. Don't do it like this, right? Take the magnet along the length, again lift it up, come back to the previous position and then rub it. Do it 50 to 60 times repeatedly. Now it will turn into temporary magnet. Now the question arises, how will you check whether it has changed into a magnet or not? Very simple. Bring some iron fillings or some things, small things or pins made of iron near to this magnet. If they will get attracted, then it is turned into a magnet. If not, then you have to repeat the process again for 30-40 times. Right? Again you can check it. Right? In this way we can make temporary magnet at home. Right? Now, bache, what are the uses of magnet? Basically, these magnets are used in our daily life everywhere. We can see door closers, catchers, your pencil box, they all have magnets. Even your refrigerator's doors, they have magnet. Magnets are also used to separate out the iron materials from the garbage, right? Some pieces of magnet are also used in checks, so they play an important role, right? Now the question is, after this is important term that comes, that is demagnetization. Bache, what is demagnetization? As it is clear from the name, magnets, they can lose their magnetic properties if not handled properly. This phenomena is known as demagnetization. Right? Now the question arises, which are the causes? Yeah, what are the reasons which cause demagnetization? Causes of demagnetization are, first is hammering a magnet, right? Then heating a magnet at high temperature, then dropping a magnet from height repeatedly, dropping magnet from height रिपीटेडली बार बार ऊंची जगह से फेंकना, एंड कीपिंग द मैग्नेट क्लोज टू मैग्नेटिक मीडिया, राइट, लाइक टीवी, फोन, इनके पास रखने से मैग्नेट डीमैग्नेटाइज हो जाता है, राइट. सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ द मैग्नेट्स. Don't hammer them, don't heat them at high temperature, don't drop them from the height, right? Then don't keep them close to the magnetic media, right? Hope this is clear to all. Next, students, one more term is there which is like this. That term is self demagnetization. Bache, there is difference between these two terms. In this case, in demagnetization, it is occurring due to demagnetization is taking place due to improper handling of the magnet, while self demagnetization is magnets themselves lose their magnetic properties. Why magnets lose their magnetic properties? When they are not kept or stored properly, right? What is demagnetization? When magnets are not stored or kept properly, then they lose their magnetic properties themselves. That is known as self demagnetization. Is that clear to all? Now students, if I am saying if you don't keep the magnets properly, then they lose their magnetic properties, that is self demagnetization is taking place. Then how to keep the magnets? To store the magnets, there are certain special kind of keepers. They are known as magnetic keepers. How to store the magnets? By keeping them in magnetic keepers. Now the question is, what are magnetic keepers? To retain the magnetic properties of the magnet, magnets are stored in magnetic keepers. बच्चे, magnetic keeper होता क्या है? It consists of a wooden piece. I am drawing here. It consists of a wooden piece. This is what? A wooden piece with two magnets on its two sides. Here two magnets are placed like this on two sides. I am talking this about bar magnets, right? ऐसे रखने हैं magnets. कैसे रखने हैं? Unlike poles on the same side. Like this is north, this is south. इसका ये south है, इसका ये north है, right? Is that clear? And magnets are always stored in pairs. Like I have stored it in pairs and kept in opposite directions, right? Is that clear? This is a magnetic keeper. Is that clear? Here we can keep the soft pieces of iron. They are not left free. Here soft pieces of iron are kept. Is that clear to all? This is a magnetic keeper, right? To prevent the magnet from getting self-demagnetized, we store them in magnetic keepers. After this, there comes the next topic, that is magnetic compass. Bache, what is magnetic compass? You know, magnet has a special directive property that it always tells about north-south direction. That is why it is also known as leading stone. Due to this special property of magnet, it is used by sailors to find the direction. Where it is used? In a magnetic compass. Right? Now what is this magnetic compass? Actually, this magnetic compass is a small box. क्या होता है? Small box with a glass cover. Right? उसके ऊपर ग्लास का कवर होता है एंड इसके बीच में क्या होती है? It has a magnetic नीडल इन द सेंटर, राइट, बीच में क्या होती है, मैग्नेटिक नीडल इन सेंटर विच रोटेट्स फ्रीली, राइट. नाउ द डायल, जो डायल होता है इसका, इट हैज डायरेक्शंस मार्क्ड ऑन इट. दिस इज अ डायल, इसके अंदर डायरेक्शंस मार्क होती हैं, नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, राइट. डायरेक्शंस आर मार्क्ड ऑन इट, राइट. और मैग्नेटिक नीडल के भी रेड कलर की होती है जनरली, इसके अंदर भी डायरेक्शन होती है. मैग्नेटिक नीडल ऑल्सो हैज इट्स एंड्स मार्क्ड एज नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, इस तरह, राइट. नाउ हाउ टू यूज इट, ये तो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गई. काम कैसे करती है. नाउ यू हैव टू कीप द मैग्नेटिक कंपास एट दैट प्लेस वेयर यू वांट टू फाइंड द डायरेक्शन. क्या करना है आपको, यू हैव टू रोटेट इट टिल the magnetic needle, it coincides with the this direction of dial, right, geographic north pole. So when it coincides with it, that direction is the direction to which it is pointing is north south direction, right. In this way it is useful for sailors to find out the direction. Now with this we have finished our chapter Fun with Magnets. Hope it is all clear to you. Go through the chapter thoroughly. Till then, keep yourself safe, enjoy, and don't go out of your houses until it is very much necessary. As you know, pandemic is still there. We have to save ourselves, protect ourselves in these difficult times. Be brave, support your parents, and be strong. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself.